Hi everyone, this is Philip with Sierra Toys again. Today we're doing an unboxing video of M2 Machines Coke Release 52500-826. This is one of the newer Coke releases, and here we go. Okay, now here we go, guys. This is the set. There's going to be, this is an inner case of 6 cars. There's 3 cars per set, 2 of each car. And let's see what we have. Alrighty. First off is a 1932 Ford Roadster. This is A26. Look at the detail. This is a very slick car. There are 9,250 pieces made. If you do find the chase, there's going to be 750 of the chase car. And that is the first one. Next up is and we'll pull the second car that out. Again, there's going to be 2 of the same car of each one. Next up is a 1932 Ford 3-window coupe. And again, look at the detail. I love this car. I like this color. It's really sharp. And I think it does look like the opening hatch. It looks like it might open. I'm not 100% positive on that, but it kind of looks like it. Again, 9,250 pieces of this worldwide. And again, a very nice, slick piece. And last but not least, in this case, is going to be another 1932 Ford Tudor Sedan, A26. This is the last one of them. And this is the A26 release. This is the yellow one. Pause, go refresh, Coca-Cola. And something I do want to note, if you do get the chase car, the chase car is actually this one, would be this car right here. This one, this is the only one that offers a chase in this set. There is not a chase in the other 2. So just keep that in mind if you're out looking around at your stores. And that is it for now. I really hope you enjoyed this unboxing video of these 3 cars, which is M2 Coca-Cola release 52500-A26, all 1932 Fords. If you like my videos, please hit the subscribe button. I will be doing videos probably daily, if not 1 or 2 a day. You know, I might miss a day here and there, but I will be doing a lot of unboxing videos especially, and also new and upcoming videos. Again, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also put comments in there if you would like. Also, feel free to comment on what you would like to see in my videos, whether if it's going out and doing shows. You know, also, I don't go to stores too much, but I might start doing that just to kind of shake things up for the videos. So again, please hit the subscribe button. And until next time, this is Philip at Sierra Toys. I'm out.